Did you know that 4,000 years ago, people in ancient India had better bathrooms than most of Europe did 100 years ago? Let me show you how advanced they really were. Around 2500 BC, in what is now Pakistan and India, there was a civilization called the Indus Valley. They built cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. And these cities had something amazing: indoor plumbing. Almost every house had its own private toilet. These weren't just holes in the ground. They had actual seats made of brick or wood. Waste would drop down into drains below the house. But here's the crazy part. The entire city had underground sewage pipes. These pipes were covered with bricks and connected every house to a main drain. Workers could even lift the brick covers to clean them. At the same time, ancient Egyptians were using sand pits. Romans wouldn't build their famous aqueducts for another 2,000 years. And in medieval Europe, people just threw their waste out the window into the street. So what happened? Around 1900 BC, the Indus Valley civilization mysteriously declined. Some think climate change dried up their rivers. Others think floods destroyed the cities. Their amazing plumbing knowledge was lost for thousands of years. Next time someone says ancient people were primitive, remember, some of them had better bathrooms than your great-great-grandparents. You want to learn more shocking facts about ancient civilizations?